Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Yeah, just a quick one. I mean, we had today we had the PCE data release. I mentioned it in a Bitcoin video. It might shake up markets a little bit, but normally the focus is more on the CPI data, which was already released here I think a couple of weeks ago. Yeah. So PCE, again, it's about consumer price inflation, you could say, but it takes out all the food, as far as I'm aware, and all the energy. It doesn't really, there isn't too much of a focus. It's an important figure for the economic development, but more people are more focused on CPI. However, today everything could be a bit amplified after that strong or long range in which we have been in, because you know that move in this range has really been long lasting, and whenever you move in a range for so long, you normally see an impulsive breakout at some point. And that can happen today. You know, we also have the Powell speech a little bit later. So when you watch the video, the Powell speech might have happened already. That is expected to shake up markets today in possibly even unpredictable ways. We'll see how much it is shaking them up. But generally, the direction here for me is still on the MATIC chart up. We're waiting for a fifth wave to the upside. But ideally, what I'd like to see is one more low before we see that increase in the wave 5. And that low, yeah, levels that are possible. I told you in the previous video here, a key level would be that 72.3 cent level, and we could come down as low as 70.5 cents. A week or so below that wouldn't invalidate this wave count, but ideally we stay in this yellow area and from here move higher. Yeah, and then we could be looking at levels around $1.15 for the fifth wave here to the upside. So, and then when that is done, then I would expect all of this to be corrected in an ABC pattern, getting here into this green range, which is currently located between 50 cents and 74 cents. Again, we can calculate a little bit more detail, that area when we know where eventually that wave 5 will land. So that is still the plan, still on the roadmap here. One more dip here before we go higher. Ideally, yeah, if we already, and you know, I'm not controlling the markets, right? So if we already see this move higher here, yeah, and break out of this range above 84.5 cents, if we do something like this, breaking out, coming down for a retest, and then turning around, yeah, with maybe an engulfing green candle, then I think we have already an earlier than expected breakout, and then we are probably going up already in the wave 5. This is sort of what I'm looking at here and the levels that are very relevant for me. Bear in mind, what you can see here in yellow is also the 50-day moving average, a highly relevant moving average. You can see how the price is really dancing along this moving average. We pulled away from it today and then are trying to break above it today again. This level is at 83 cents, and if this is getting broken, then yeah, that could also be another indication that we are moving up. These two levels here, 83 cents and 84.5, which I think is actually more relevant, because as you can see, the price is swinging around this moving average for a while. Yeah, that's pretty much just a quick express update here for Polygon MATIC. Please understand, today is a sort of unpredictable way, a lot of volatility expected today, so it could already have moved on when you watch the video in maybe a couple of hours. All right, thanks a lot for watching. So hopefully you liked the update about MATIC. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.